guys, so I'm with my family and we are walking in Walmart right now because Jazzy is gonna teach me how to cook some salmon patties. Oh, ready. You got it? Yeah. You gonna push it? Yeah. Where Poppy go? Oh, okay, cool. Alrighty, Abby, let's get it. Do you have eggs and flour? No. We have flour, but no eggs. So now we're about to get some onion and bell pepper. So Jhasmine hates getting stared at, and I get stared at all the time. And I have to remind her all the time that it's okay, people are gonna stare, you know? But like, she just, what'd you say, Abby?
I said I'm gonna show that.
Okay.
So this what happened. This is that bandit on it because they had a cut. And these all lived in Greenville, South Carolina, and was all because of Papa and the dog. And her name is Dory. You could scratch her finger, and it was getting blood. And he had to do his you could actually rock cages in.
Alrighty, that was a great story, Abby. Grab the cart. So, what kind of onion did you get?
I got a yellow.
You know, I don't know.
Let me go check. I got a yellow onion, y'all. This is a yellow onion. My mom just told me to get a pretty one because it has like mold and stuff in it. That's not
Mold.
good. Like sometimes onions are wild.
Oh.
Hey guys, so you're with me. This is Abby's channel, and you can go. This is Abby's Plaza, and you can go down to the look, and you can see that's really my channel, what it is. And I'm about to put this beautiful onion in it. When I count down, you can subscribe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alrighty. Got it? There you go. Now put it in the cart.
This is how you really do it.
Okay, so we have a green bell pepper. Again, it needs to be a pretty one. And you want to make sure like they're kind of hard. You don't want a soft one because then that means they're too old.
You just put the green pepper in there.
This is a beautiful green pepper.
Check out those slides. Ooh. So Abby's job is to push the cart and to bag our stuff, and she's doing a phenomenal job. We're headed to the eggs right now, and we lost Poppy, but we usually find them towards the end of our Walmart session. Alrighty, we're about to get some eggs. Open it very gently, and you look at them. Are there any ones that are cracked or ugly? That one's ugly, so we're not going to get this one. So let's get a different one. And we're going to open it very gently. Are any of these cracked or ugly?
They're all pretty.
They're all pretty. There we go.
That's what we're getting.
Pretty eggs, y'all.
Perfect. On to the next one.
Stuck on that card.
It's the best flour. Only use this one, okay? Why?
Because my grandma used to use it, okay?
That's a perfect explanation. On to the next.
Pink wild caught salmon, you know?
Well, I came here to get the green beans, but I'm not surprised or anything.
They're already open.
Yeah. Shop at Whole Foods.
Yeah. So guys, we got some green beans. These are the green beans. What are not cooked and what are frozen.
We're purchasing our stuff. So we did 2 separate ones. Abby's saying hey. The one I did was about 16, and Jazz is gonna come up to about like what, $2. So this is like what, an $18, $19 meal. So as usual, we are waiting for Poppy. He decided that he wanted to get something else, so we're waiting.
They get some gloves for like if you had a pizza then, or you're holding something poison, don't wear gloves, you won't get sick.
Yep. So Poppy's getting those. And we're just waiting in the pick up section.
Yeah, we're so Papa to pick us up.
Next time you guys see us, we will be at home getting ready to cook. Alright guys, so we are back from the grocery store and we are about to get to cooking.
First key of cooking, wash your hands.
Yeah.
Always wash your hands. Guys, so I'm going to go ahead and get started with the green beans. I am going to boil them first so I can get them a little softer than what they are. And then I'll show you guys what I'm going to do next. So I'm going to put some water in my pot. I have the stove on, not on high. Oh wait, it wasn't even on. She was on low. Okay, so I turned the stove on. It's on medium high. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt in here. I'm going to go ahead and open the bag. I'm just going to, oh! This is a resealable bag! Okay. So I'm going to cut it open, but I'm not going to cut that seal. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do that. Opened the bag. Now I'm going to grab some out. First, I'm going to rinse them off. Okay, so for every 1 can of salmon, you need 2 eggs. So we have 2 cans, so that means how many eggs are we going to have? 4. So I'm going to rinse off the bell pepper. Jazzy's going to cut these because I suck at that. Ignore my prehistoric stove. I'm a poor college student.
Grad student.
Now we finished the bell peppers. We are about to start chopping up some onion, all right?
You about to cut the tip first. Okay? That's the tip.
Now we're gonna cry.
This the tip.
I'm crying. Fun fact, Ashley cannot cut onions.
Why can't you cut
I
onions?
can't hold it and cut it at the same time. I've tried. It's hard. But the way Jhasmine held it, she held it like this in her hand, and then she went down the middle. Every time I try to do that, it goes like this. But once it gets to a point, it's like that, I can do it.
Well, you want to do it?
No. Here's the mixture of green peppers and onions. Beautiful. Right.
And then usually you break it right down the middle. Then all the bones will be in the middle. So, and then we gotta pull out all of this black stuff and the fatty part. So you just pull it out, dump it in there. And then you can see this bone right here.
You got living like supposed to.
And just pull that bone all the way out.
Turning off. Beans. Strainer leg. Turn it.
Fun tip, y'all. Eggshells do not go down the garbage disposal. Ashley. They don't. They will ruin your garbage disposal and they will ruin the package, okay? Didn't you have to get wash your taste of them?
We are currently waiting for the grease to get warm. It's been like this forever. It's on, but then again, you guys know my stove is prehistoric, so maybe that's why it's taking a while. Hello! Okay, we are back and we are about to fry the salmon patties. The grease is ready.
Ashley, stop. What are you doing? Stop. I said lay. Put the butt in there. This girl's she's trying to kill me. Don't drink and cook with grease with Ashley. Can't handle.
I'm confused. That won't no angle.
No! No!
That was way faster.
Grease splatters. Grease splatters.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, remember to like it and hit the subscribe button below. If you like videos like this, I can make more. I hope you guys have a great day and see you in the next video. Bye!